Hello urban farmers and welcome to another episode. Oh, there's a fly. In this episode what I want to talk about just quickly is about cutting your grass and some tips that will make your lawn look much better and look healthier and look a lot greener. A couple of things. One, you should be feeding your lawn on some type of regular basis if you want your lawn to be healthy. So I recommend the chicken poo pellets, and you can throw that. That is organic and it is slow releasing and it's not going to kill your grass either. If let's say there is some dry period, it doesn't completely burn the grass, which is a big plus. Second thing is, when you cut your grass, mulch. Don't put it into the feeder. So what happens is, what generally people do is when they go and cut the grass, they will actually collect all that grass and throw it away. Now if you cut your grass regularly, let's say once a week, once every 2 weeks, you should be able to just cut the grass without taking the grass away, and that grass will mulch itself and feed the ground. Now logically, just think about this. Your grass grows rapidly, it's taking nutrients out of the soil, you're packing that grass into a bag and you're throwing it away. You're effectively taking the soil, the nutrients out of the soil, and you're never giving anything back. The third and last, or I think it is the third tip, the last tip that I have is to not cut your grass too short. So what happens generally, and the big misconception about cutting grass, is that you have to cut the grass really short. Not necessarily true. What I would do is set your trimmer on the most highest level that it possibly can be on. So when it is on the most highest level, let's say 5 centimeters, maybe more, what that will do to the grass, it will allow it to cover the ground, so you won't be able to see the soil. What that then enables the grass to do is not let the soil dry out. When the soil doesn't dry out, it can contain a lot more moisture, and when it contains a lot more moisture, the grass is not going to be looking dehydrated, and it's not going to go the brownish sort of like off color as quickly. I know it's probably going to happen during summer unless you water it every day, at least twice a day, and there's really hot days, but this will go a long way in helping it keep green for a lot longer during summer. And you should really try and do this during summer, winter and all the other seasons throughout the year. Keep your grass a little bit longer, don't cut it too short, and feed it regularly, and mulch. Don't take that grass away, and you should have a beautiful looking lawn. Now all up until the next video, I'll see you guys next time. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, please do so. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow this channel, and I do want to grow it. I want to reach as many people as I possibly can, and if you like this video, please press the like button, which is somewhere down there. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.